Net worth is like your financial report card. It's not just about how much money you have, it's about understanding your overall financial health. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Korianne. In today's exploration, we are diving into the intricate waters of finance to unravel the concept of net worth. Wondering why it's crucial compass on your path to financial independence? Hang tight because I have got the answer for you. Plus, I will walk you through an example to guide you on calculating your financial independence. And I will sprinkle in a few actionable tips you can implement today to accelerate your journey. In the end, you will find out where your net worth currently stands relatively to your age. If you are a newcomer to our community, make sure to subscribe and give that like button a friendly tap to show your support. My goal is to reach 8,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I would be thrilled to have you join us on this journey. Alright, let's kick things off with the burning questions. Why is net worth important for financial independence planning? Net worth is like your financial report card. It's not just about how much money you have, it's about understanding your overall financial health. Knowing your net worth is key to successful financial independence planning. Imagine it as a GPS guiding you on your journey to financial independence. But why is it so important? It is a holistic financial picture. Net worth considers all your assets and liabilities, everything you owe and owe. It gives you a comprehensive view, helping you make informed financial decisions. Alright, let's break this down without all the financial jargon. Imagine you are trying to figure out your money situations, and you have got a couple of ways to do it. You can use a simple spreadsheet or just a piece of paper. Now, let's look at an example. Your money stuff, which is your assets. Your house is worth about 120,000. You have savings of 25,600. Money in your checking account is about 12,000. Your retirement fund in your 401k about 142,000. Another retirement fund is IRA is 56,000. Your total money stuff or total asset is about 360,600. Next is your debts liability. The money you owe to your house is your mortgage is 85,600. Student loans about 32,500. Your car loan about 12,500. Your credit card debts about 1,100. Your total debts or total liability is 131,700. Now to find out how much money you have, subtract what you owe from what you own. 360,000 minus 131,000 came out about 228,900. But wait, there is more. If you are dreaming of being financially free in your 40s, aiming for 400,000 a month or 48,000 a year, we need to do some math. To reach an annual income of 48,000, you would ideally need have saving of at least 600,000, generating at least 10% return. Now here's the reality check. Taxable income into play. After setting aside about 22% for taxes, your net annual income would hopefully around 46,800. It's still a couple of thousand short of your goal, but it gives you a good idea of where you stand. So in a nutshell, you have not quite there yet, but don't worry, we are here to help you figure out how to get on the right track. Now let's talk about strategy. How can you steadily increase your net worth? Here are some tips and tricks. It's not just about earning more, it's about managing your money wisely. Here are some actionable steps that you can take starting today. Budgeting like a pro. I know I have mentioned more frequently in the last few videos. Budgets aren't just for accountants, they are your financial roadmap. Track your income, monitor your expenses, and channel your inner financial superhero. I understand doing budget is not fun at all, but a few years down the road, you will be super happy that you did. Some of you may even cut a few years of working when you take it seriously. Do you know what is the major issue with personal finance in the US? It's all about spending. Many individuals find themselves spending beyond their means, and it's not because they lack the income. With the median household income in the US nearly $75,000 per year, the real challenge lies in the spending habits. By being mindful of your monthly expenditures, you can steadily boost your saving rate. By year end, you could potentially save extra $5,000 to $10,000 annually. It's all about making intentional choices with your money. Now, on to the next step, strategic debt management. Take on your debt with a plan. Think of it as a dance, starting by tackling those high interest debts first. Once you clear them off, you will notice a boost in your monthly cash flow. It's a strategic move to financial flexibility. The next tip is to increase your income. Here are some effective ways to boost your earning. Skill development. Invest in acquiring new skills or enhancing existing ones. A more diverse skills set often make you more valuable in job market, opening up opportunities for higher paying role, education and certifications. Considering pursuing further educations or obtaining relevant certification in your field, this can make you a more qualified candidate for advanced positions with better pay. Negotiate for a raise. If you have been performing well in your current role, don't hesitate to negotiate salary increase with your employer. Highlight your achievements and contributions to demonstrate your value. The last one is career advancement. Seek opportunity for career advancement within your current organizations. Climbing the corporate ladder often comes with increased responsibilities and higher compensations. Now, the grand finale is to invest wisely. After putting in the effort to earn your money, it's time to let your money to do heavy lifting for you. Invest intelligently, diversify your portfolio, and witness your asset flourish. The earlier you start investing, the sooner you can benefit from the magic of compounding interest. So there you have it, the secret to increasing your net worth. The ultimate bonus features a chart obtained from the CNBC displaying the median net worth and categorizing by age brackets. This data is sourced from the Federal Reserve's October 2023 report. Feel free to pause and assess where you are currently stand. Let me ask you one question. What is your go-to strategy for boosting your net worth? Drop comment below and let's turn this video into a collective learning experience. Your insights may just be the financial advice someone else needs. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button for us, subscribe and share with fellow investors, friends and family. Until next time, happy net worth building. Ciao.